Not to worry, if you are a graduate or even not a graduate, there is a remote job or physical job just for you. But in this video, I'll be focusing more on the mini job. This is my shared experience. Now, if you're interested in the advanced professional job, you will actually need a LinkedIn account, just like something like this you're seeing on the screen. So you will need a professional LinkedIn account. So if you're interested, you just send me a message on my LinkedIn account. So to confirm you already have a LinkedIn account, so we can go ahead to make it look professional. So you need to set up a profile on LinkedIn before you can be able to have access to the advanced remote job. Okay, so just go down in the comment section. You're going to be finding the second link to my LinkedIn. Send me a message and I'll be giving you the procedures of how you can get started on the remote job. But right here in this video, I'm going to be focusing more on the mini job. Okay, this is actually my shared experience I'm actually bringing out to you. Now, before we proceed with the mini job in this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, I am Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to teach and also make reviews about how you can actually leverage online in our today's world. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Okay, and so at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp group, you can see the link on the pinned comment section. Do well to join this wonderful family. Now, either of these two you're going for, either the mini job or the advanced remote job, we need to apply as an AI training and data labeling specialist. So I'm going to be walking you through on how you can apply on this particular job and remote job. So with that being said, let's dive into the business of today. For the mini job, I'll be mentioning some right in this video. Like I said, you would be applying just to test AI. As you can see right here, the first one right here happens to be the Outlier. Right here on this platform, you will have to apply. Okay, so what to do is just for you to come right here and apply. But before applying, you need to know what you actually need right here. You can see right here that when you come beneath this particular interface, you can see use brilliance to train AI and get paid for it. Now you're actually applying as an AI tester, and you are going to be getting the rewards for this particular platform. Join 100k experts improving the accuracy of AI. Work from home on your own schedule. So right here, you can go ahead to read the reviews from Trustpilot, so you can get to understand that this platform has been in existence and they are actually rewarding users for their time spent with them. So you can see right here, changing the future of AI across the globe. Over $500 million has been paid out, as you can see right here, and 100,000 plus experts has been in this particular project. Now these are 50 countries that are accessible with this platform. Now you can see right here that we are redefining how AI learns, powered by domain experts like you. Now the reason for this is because they are actually trying to train AI to have a response just like human. Now these AIs you're seeing online are actually trained by humans. So once they train this AI, that is why when you give them prompts, they give you response just like humans. So it is humans that actually train these AIs for good and accurate feedback. So what we are going to be doing now is to apply right on this platform. So you are going to come right here. So let me come right, let me see if there's something that I need to let you know about. Okay, all these are what you can actually go through your lecture and to understand. So these are some questions you can get right here about Outlier and getting started, qualifications, pay and hours. So before we dive into it, permit me to explain this point right here. You can see what is Outlier. Outlier is a platform that connects subject matter experts to help build the world's most advanced generative AI. Okay, you will work on a variety of projects, from generating training data in your discipline to advance these models to evaluate performance of models. So that is what I just explained. You are meant to be training these AIs so you can be getting rewards for your time. So getting started is very simple. What does the onboarding process look like? Now, Outlier onboarding process typically takes 30 to 90 minutes and includes creating your account, selecting your areas of expertise, completing skills and screening so we can match you with the right project, and identity verification to ensure you are building a trusted community. Once you complete the general onboarding, you will proceed to project specific onboarding, which varies by project. So qualifications right here, this is actual what you are going to be getting. We are looking for candidates with domain expertise, so this does not actually mean to you, so we are going to be bypassing all this. Now the pay is actually right here. You can see it. How does payment work? Once you complete onboarding and begin working on project, you will be paid for your contributions. Payments are proceed weekly on Tuesdays. Now how will I be paid? Pay varies by tax depending on the difficulty and demand, as well as contributors, locations and levels of. So all these are what you can go through to understand. Now to apply is very simple. You're going to come right here, just come right above this particular section where you can find the apply now. So click on apply. So what you're going to be getting is this: hello, thank you for your interest in joining Outlier. However, we will get to inform you that at our moment we are not able to provide services in your location. I apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused you. Best regards. Now if you're actually using your normal location, your Nigerian location or your African location, you might get this. Now the reason why you're supposed to get this is because this is only allocated to 50 countries, and some countries are not being allocated to. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is to make sure you're actually using a VPN to bypass this. Now using a VPN does not mean that you are going to bypass this fully. Okay, you are just going to bypass the application process where you can get to be applied. Then when you are approved, there are some other things you need to know about this particular project. Okay, that is why it's advisable you join the full remote job where I asked you to chat me on LinkedIn. Okay, so those ones actually accept Nigerians, Africans and any part of the world. So specifically, some of these are actually going to need you to be a citizen of a particular country or geographical area. So this is one of which you can apply using your VPN and try that and see if you're going to be getting approved. Now you're applying, make sure you're putting in the email you are getting information, you're getting messages on, because that is where you'll be notified that you have been approved for this tax. Now the other one is this particular one, the remotejobs.io, but this one there's a little comma on it. But let's proceed so I can show you the comma on this. So you can see right here, discover dream remote job, every listing checked by experts, no scams, just real remote jobs created for you. So right here, what you're going to be doing is to apply just like the way we did that. So you can come right here and read some things you also need to know about this particular platform. You can see that, but there's a little comma just like what I said on this platform. So just come right here and click on start your job. So once you click on that, you are going to be brought into this interface where it says remotejobs.io, quality remote jobs in just 3 steps. So answer a few questions and easily apply to jobs and start your remote job. So you are going to be applying right here. So once you're here, all you just need to do is to select any of you. Just come right here and select any remote job, or you can come right here and put a specific one. So click on next. The process of registration is very simple. Now this one is actually fast for users who are into who want to go into remote jobs. Okay, so right here you can see, great, we have jobs that meet or exceed your salary target. What's the minimum you would like to earn? So right here you can be paid with salary or hourly depending on how you want that. So let's say we are going for hourly and you actually want to get a payment of, let's see, every hour you want to get a payment of this. You just come right here and click on next, but it's not necessarily said that, you can skip that. So you are going to be picking 3 job categories that you are interested in. You just come right here. Let's say you want to go for data analyst, so click on this. You can select more than one. Okay, so just click on done. Now right here you will be asked to, let's click on next. So right here you'll be asked for your location. So this particular one does not actually specify location, so it's not location based stuff. So what you're going to be doing is to come right here and change your location, or you leave this like this, or you skip also. So click on next. So once you click on next, you're going to be brought into this interface. You can check these 3 or you can check just 2. Okay, so let's just check these 2 and we'll click on next. So right here, this is what they want you to do. You can also come right here and select the jobs that you are wanting to go into. So this is what I selected. You can just uncheck some and you can check some. So once you're done, you click on next. Now the next stage will want you to put in an email address. So they're actually generating jobs that suits what you just applied for. So this is it. Okay, so you can come right here and click on continue to match. So what you're going to be doing is next is to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to be brought into this interface. Now this is where you are going to be brought to. Now this particular project, you're going to be getting job offers very fast. That is why you're seeing a payment right here. Now access to all, you can actually get verified jobs in less than 14 days. Okay, full access to this job, but in 14 days you'll be getting to pay this amount of funds. You can see that for annual you are going to be paying this amount and you are going to be dividing that in a year. Okay, so that is how the platform works. So you are just going to click on continue and you're going to be following the process of that, and you would not want to get this because you are actually applying for job. It's not necessarily you're actually paying to start the job. Okay, so I don't recommend this for anyone who is starting up, but for someone like me that have actually been into this particular stuff, that have been getting some value, I can go ahead with this one. So I decided to show us this one to know that okay, I am into this also. Now this third one also has good features which you can start up with. It is called cash tasks. Complete simple tasks, make easy earnings. So right here you can see that these are some things you also need to do right on this platform, and you're going to be getting rewards for that. Now you can see, so this is very simple. This is not actually going to be asking much from you. Just come right here, put in your name. Let's say Joaking. I think I've applied for this, so Joaking. So come right here and put in your mail. Let's just say Joaking. No, let's say, so let me just add my name here. So what they want right here is just your Gmail. Okay, so I'm going to put my Gmail. So you just come right here, put in your name and put in your Gmail. Now you're going to be under a wait list. You can see right here that we have submitted. Now you'll be notified when they have approved you. So it's very simple. So once they approve you, then you can start leveraging on this particular platform. Now these are what you can also do on this platform to get rewards for yourself, but there are lots of people on the wait list. So once you're on this platform, put in your name, put in your email, then join the wait list. So once you're on the wait list and they approved it, then you can then go about doing what you're supposed to do. Right here you can see complete offers, watch videos, like photos, and the likes of it. So this particular platform is user friendly and a lot of people are into it, so they need to approve your request. So that is why you're part of the wait list. So these are some mini jobs you can do online that are legit. Okay, so if you want to go into the full remote job I explained earlier, just go down on the pin comment section and click on the second link to send me a message, and I'm giving you full details on how to go about that. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value and understood all what I said, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Okay, however, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.